Veganism versus 3D printed food. What's the best option for the future? The world is changing rapidly, and so is the way we eat. With growing concerns about sustainability, food security, and ethical food production, people are debating two major solutions for the future of food: embracing veganism or turning to innovative technologies like lab-grown meat and 3D printed food. Both approaches have benefits and challenges, so let's explore them in detail. Why veganism could be the best option. Many believe veganism is the most sustainable choice for the future. A plant-based diet uses fewer resources such as water and land compared to raising animals in factory farming. Factory farming not only consumes vast amounts of energy, but also contributes significantly to pollution and climate change. By shifting to veganism, we could reduce the environmental impact of our diets and help address global food security concerns. This is particularly important as the global population grows. Another key advantage of veganism is its ethical appeal. Factory farming is often criticized for its treatment of animals, with many animals raised in overcrowded, poor conditions. A plant-based lifestyle eliminates the need for such practices, ensuring a more humane food system. Additionally, vegan diets can be rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, promoting better health and reducing the risk of diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. However, veganism isn't without its challenges. Nutritional deficiencies are a concern for some, as it can be difficult to get enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12 without consuming animal products. Accessibility and affordability also play a role. Not everyone has access to a variety of plant-based foods, particularly in regions where fresh produce is expensive or hard to find. Despite these obstacles, veganism remains a natural and practical way to create a more sustainable future. Why 3D printed food could be the future. On the other hand, innovative solutions like 3D printed food offer an exciting glimpse into the future of food production. Imagine a world where you can customize your meal to meet your exact nutritional needs. 3D printed food makes this possible by allowing meals to be designed for specific dietary preferences, whether you're an athlete needing extra protein or someone with allergies requiring tailored ingredients. This customization ensures a balanced and nutrient-rich diet for everyone. Another advantage of 3D printed food is its potential to address food security. By using alternative ingredients such as algae, lab-grown meat, or even insect-based proteins, 3D printers can create affordable, sustainable meals with fewer resources. This technology could significantly reduce food waste by using every part of an ingredient, transforming it into a consumable product. For example, instead of discarding vegetable scraps, they could be incorporated into 3D printed meals, maximizing efficiency. However, there are challenges to this approach as well. While the technology is innovative, the energy consumption of 3D printers raises environmental concerns. Additionally, lab-grown meat and 3D printed food may feel unnatural to many people, making them hesitant to embrace it. Accessibility is another issue, as these technologies are currently expensive and might remain out of reach for poorer countries or communities. Despite these barriers, 3D printed food holds great potential to revolutionize how we think about sustainability and food production. Conclusion: both veganism and 3D printed food present compelling solutions to the challenges of modern food production. Veganism offers a natural, ethical, and environmentally friendly way to eat, while 3D printed food is an innovative, customizable approach that could address food security and reduce waste. Rather than choosing one over the other, the future might lie in combining these ideas, embracing plant-based diets while using technology to make food more accessible, affordable, and sustainable. Together, these approaches could create a healthier, more equitable food system for everyone.